Good morning children. Today let's see the periodic test 2 answers. Yesterday already I taught in the online class on Google Classroom, but today I will give it just just a glance only. I won't explain much. Okay, when we subtract a number from itself, the answer is, so when we subtract a number, so let's take an example of 8, and 8 from itself you have to subtract. So 8, the number itself 8, from there if you subtract 8 minus 8 you will get 0. So when you subtract a number from itself, the answer is 0. So it can be any number. I have given example 8. So if you take any number, even lakh or crore, if you take any number, if you subtract from itself, the answer is 0. Again, 4 nines. This is not 4 minus 9, 4 9. This is 4 nines means what? 4 by 9. 4 nines plus dash equal to 1. So 4 nines we write it 4 by 9. With this, if you add what number, you will get it 1. So the denominator will be the same. So here in this, here also there should be one fraction. So there should be, the denominator it should be 9 only. So if if the denominator is 9, the numerator also should be 9, then only it will become 1. Okay. The denominator and the numerator should be the same number, then only it can become 1. So already there is, the numerator is, okay, the first in the numerator there is already 4 is there. So here what number comes in the numerator, it should become 9. So what number if you add with 4, it will become 9. So if you add 5, it will become 9. So 4 plus 5, 9. So you will get 9 by 9. 9 by 9 is 1. So 5 by 9 is the answer. So 5 by 9 you can write, otherwise 5 nines. 5 nines you can write. You can write in number name, otherwise you can write in fraction. 5 by 9, anyway you can write, both are the same answer. Again, 348 into 276 into 0 equal to dash. See, this is the bigger number I have given, and many of you are sitting and multiplying there. So who will give for 1 month for filling the blanks the hardest calculation to sit and calculate? You must 348 into 276 into 0. No one will give the bigger number to divide. So you must see the smaller number here, by which if you multiply you will get the easiest way, you will get the answer. So 0 if you multiply by any number, the answer is 0. So that way you see the shortcut way. Again, area of a rectangle is dash. Area of a rectangle, the formula already you know, it is length into breadth. Again, a polygon with 4 sides is called, some of you have written it is square and rectangle. It is an example of a polygon with 4 sides. It is not a name of a polygon. So if you write the answer quadrilateral, only for them I have given the answer. I didn't give the answer, those are written square and rectangle. Again, the greatest factor of 63 is dash. So many of you have written the calculation finding the factor of 63. Why are you wasting the time here? If you have studied the properties of factor, then you have written the answer directly. The properties of factor already I had given. The smallest factor of all the number is 1, and the greatest factor of all the number is the number itself. So here the greatest factor of a number 63, it is also the number itself, that is 63, the greatest factor. Again, a dash is a line segment which divides the circle into two equal halves. So this is a circle. So the line segment which divides the circle into two equal halves. So this is a line segment that is divides the circle into two equal halves, and it is passing through the center, and it is joining the 2 points on the circumference. So the line segment which is passing through the center, that is called the diameter. So diameter is the line segment which divides the circle into two equal halves. Diameter is the answer. Okay, now let's see choose the best answer. Okay, now let's see choose the best answer. 8 pizzas were cut into 88 pieces. How many pieces were each pizza cut into? So given for 8 pizza, and they are asking for each pizza means 1 pizza. So given for many and asked for 1 means you have to divide. So 88 divided by 8. So it is 11. So 11 is the answer. This is the answer. Again, fractions with 1 in the numerator is called dash. So 1. So remember the word 1. 1 in maths always it is called unit. So when you go to higher classes in colleges, you will know wherever the word 1 unit comes in maths, it says about 1. Okay. So 1 in the numerator, it is called the unit fraction. So C is the answer. The smallest composite number is dash. smallest composite. Composite numbers, you know, the factors which are having more than 2 factors. Prime numbers means which are having only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. And the composite means they will have more than 2 factors. So more than 2 factors means, now first if you take 1 is neither prime nor composite because it is having only 1 factor. So it is not in any of the groups, so it cannot be included. Again 2 is having the factor 1 and itself, so it is a prime number. So this is a prime number, so this also cannot be included in the number. So now the left answer is 6 and 4. So 6 and 4, the both are having more than 2 factors. So only these 2 can be the answer. So which is the smallest one? Okay, now let's see the next question. Even numbers are the multiples of dash. Even numbers, you know all the even numbers, it's starting from 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So the numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. These are the numbers, are even numbers. These are the multiples of 2. So all the even numbers are the multiples of 2. 4, some of the even numbers will not be the multiple of 4. Okay, for example, now 6 cannot be the multiple of 4. Okay, but 2 have all these multiples, all these numbers as multiples. Again 10 is an even number, but 10 will not have below 10, these numbers will not be the multiples of 10. Again here 3 is an odd number, so it won't have these numbers as a even number, as its multiple. Okay, so 2 is the answer. So even numbers means always remember they are the multiples of 2. Next one, a pair of prime numbers which differs by 2 is called. Which differs by 2 is called. You know all the prime numbers. I think 1 to 50 you must always by heart the prime numbers between 1 to 50. Okay, now let me give an example now. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the prime numbers. Now in these prime numbers, if you see the difference between 2 and 3, that is only 1. 3 minus 2, only 1. But if you see 5 minus 3, you will get 2. 7 minus 5, you will get 2. So like these numbers, if you take any 2 pair, 3 and 5, otherwise 5 and 7 if you take, they are differing by 2. The difference between those 2 prime numbers is 2. So what they are called? So they are called, it is differing by 2. So you remember 2 means twin. So twin primes. They are called twin primes. They are not called composite number or even number, they are called twin primes. Again the fraction equivalent to 1 by 6 is. So options are given, so from option itself you can try now. Now 2 by 6, you reduce 2 by 6. 2 by 6 if you reduce, this common factor is 2. So if you divide by 2 you will get here 1 and here 3. So you are getting 1 by 3, but here you have to get 1 by 6. So this cannot be the correct answer. Now let's take 2 by 15. Now 2 and 15. 2 is an even number, 15 is an odd number. So both don't have a common factor to divide, so you cannot divide. So this is the reduced form. So this also cannot be the equivalent fraction. Now 2 by 12. Let's take the 2 by 12. 2 by 12. Both are even numbers, so you can divide by 2. So if you divide by 2, 2 ones are 2, 6 2s are 12. So here you are getting 1 by 6. So you have to get 1 by 6. So this is the answer. 2 by 12 is the answer. Next one. Dash in 1000 equal to 5000. How many thousands will be 5000? So from the question it's very easy, no? This 5000. 5000 only will become 5000. 5 into 1000, 5000. Okay, next one. Perimeter of the square whose sides are 5 centimeter. So perimeter of the square. So you must know the perimeter of the square formula. So if you don't know the formula, perimeter means you know the boundary, the total length of the boundary. So now this is the square, means if the side is given 5 centimeter. So all the sides will be 5 because it is a square. So you have to add all this 4. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. So it should be 20 centimeter. If you go with the formula is 4 into side, 4 into side. 4 into side is 5 centimeters, so 4 5s are 20. So 20 centimeters will go. Okay, so perimeter is just centimeter. We don't write square. Only in area you will write square. So here, what will be the correct answer? 20 centimeter centimeter will be the correct answer. Here I have not given to make you to confuse. Sometimes I would have given 20 centimeter and 20 square centimeter also to confuse, but I have not given. Other numbers only I had given. Okay. So this is the answer. Now let's go to the another sum.